You know everything about your website visitors, every click, every path they take. But what about the customers inside your store? Every day they arrive by the thousands. They walk in, they browse, they choose. Now you can see all of it. Just download the SignMetrix app to your POS device and start measuring foot traffic instantly. No camera, no extra hardware. From a single store to your entire network. Coast to coast, every location connected. Foot traffic, dwell time, and complete customer journeys, turned into real-time insight you can act on. No cameras, no CapEx, just intelligent software, deployed remotely in minutes. Measure foot traffic, understand the journey, act on what matters, convert more sales. Simple, seamless, scalable. SignMetrix, measure the impact.